Hei hi Akashvani Aizawl ani Chanchinthar achiar tu sil munsangi Dr. Vijay Kumar Singh chu in of madar som pakhat khan Rush Bhavan circular law na Mizoram governor somni pangana ni tura laklu ani governor laklu na inkhom mi chief secretary Khili Ramina in kai shwain lar sab Dr. Vijay Kumar Singh hi Guwahati High Court Chief Justice Vijay Bisnoyan Mizoram rin omna thu tiam tirin la lut ani
I, General Dr. Vijay Kumar Singh, PBSM, AVSM, Vice and retired, do swear in the name of God that I will faithfully execute the office of the Governor of Mizoram and will, to the best of my ability, preserve, protect and defend the Constitution and the law, and that I will devote myself to the service and well-being of the people of Mizoram.
Dr. Vijay Kumar Singh ni kum December ni somni pali Khan President Draupadi Murmu in Mizoram Governor ni Turin Ruata Voina lar sab laklu na inkhoma hian Chief Minister Pulal Duoma Assembly Speaker Pulal Biakzama Leader of Opposition Pulal Chandamaral te Minister Puke Sabdanga Puwanal Hlana Pulal Soivunga Pulal Thansanga Pilarin Pui Dr. Vanal Thlana Pubila Chanzovale Pulal Hinglova Martin Tela Chief Minister Lui Pani Puzoram Thangale Pulal Thanhole te Potelin MLA Shangshangan Tela Rajya Sabha MP Puke Vanal Venale Lok Sabha MP Bru Richard Vanal Mangay Baka Tlomngai Paul Shwai to Shang le Sarkar mi Poimo Antel Bok Puvi ke singa hian no Pui Pi Barti Singh ne Nimin Khan leng Pui Airport lau thlengin Chief Minister Pulal Do Machuan leng Pui Airport ta anmani lom na le hmana huna buat saya voina lom lo na huna manzo hian lar sa hian Assam Rifles how to te kom do na ni
Mizoram Lar Sab General V.K. Singh hi Indian Army Chief of Army Staff Lui ni in Hedin Munthi Kumsang ni so matanga sang ni som panhi chunga chela 4-star General ni in Indian Army how to min thatak ani a na tanga achol nu in BJP Party Zamin Member of Parliament ni to a Member of Road Transport and Highways le Ministry of Civil Aviation Changtu Minister of State Din Munchel to in Hemi Mahian Minister of State for External Affairs Minister of State Independent Charge for Development of the Northeastern Region le Minister of State for Statistics and Program Implementation ni to bokani rawchung nunga hlon daw Akashvani News Aizawl
Chief Minister Pulal Doman Mizoram Bank ten huang an zawa mun kil khorzo kami te ban pha kan omtul le ani ti nimin Aizawl Club Special State Level Bankers Committee Mizoram for the quarters ended September 2024 man puina hethui soin Chief Minister Chan Mizoram Bank ikmuzat omto ma se atamjok chu Aizawl le district capital in bunan la ni ti a banking huam zau thale zau Mizoram minwa mon asang le ni ti a CD ratio in ma son ti mu thu soin Chief Minister Chuan heti rual hian bank chen khat CD ratio niam le lutuk za asomli ai niam engeng zat an la om thule bank chen khat phei chuan za asom ni po an phak lo thu soya Mizoram atangin deposit andong khom ti soin chumi atanga za asom ni vel Mizoram an puk chhuatira adang za asom riat vel state dang an puk chhuatir ti soin Mizo mi puite za lo na tlinga sha thule sum don nan chawa ronmang bank an mamolo thu soin mason na thopui turin adu ti soi Chief Minister Jan Sarkar in Miri Theizo khai chhuat tuma agriculture and allied sector le MSME lama thapui tho in ma an chhoti soin bank chu an thopui poimo berzinga mi ani thule in thlada lo tura adu thu soibo Longklai district chon huwa krishi vigan kendra KVK chuan kungshan shingin bole bal thlaichin le tharchwa konga midang zirti le ko mu in malakna an kalpui renga an malakna peng pakha chuk to hwa Newty Garden chu hlotling takin kalpui the ni anti KVK chon hu hian tuntuma Newty Garden an siam hi school nau pang chu chhun midday meal ata anra mana badam carrot broccoli parbor tomato nokol le motor chana te an chinga aseng the ang seng ngalin school nau pang chu chhun ata nan pe ngalani
Chon hu KVK office complex a huan an siam chu government primary school chon hua zirlai le zirtir tu ten nimin khan Newty Garden hitlo in KVK mithiam ten mani in bul le dei hnai mun olrem changa lotling taka thlai thar chu mai thei ani thu te zirlai no pang the hi hril fe in thlai an en kol dan tlang pui an soi fi abok government primary school chon hu headmaster chuan KVK chon hu longtlai ten zirlai no pangte thlai chin dana kong thatak an ko mu chu lom ati thu soi lalhnetaral te Akashvani News longtlai
Women and Child Development Noya District Hub for Empowerment of Women Nathial District Chuan National Girl Child Day 2025 lomna tur khu khonna Nathiala mechenau pangpwalin huhowa ke kalbuat seni hemirwal hian beti chawo beti patao kumsom tlinglomna hun manani a he hunni Child Development Project Officer PLT Rosemary namte chuan kai shwain mechate veng him torle anding na chanwo hum haltura intiamna plates chu bazar kona soirwal na hunan mangani ke kal hi bazar kone tangani tani in Nathial khuchunga mechenau pangpoimo na le mi puiten mechate choisan kong anti turte auralin an puanga heta hian district mission coordinator pilarin pui chuan Thusoyin National Girl Child Day dom na tora ta na ruwa man an nei te tar lang nuwa Nathial mi puite chu tho ho puya som ngalani he huna hian an kanwadi workers le an kanwadi helper Nathial khuchunga mi te accredited social health activist tele staff tenen an vai mi somruk velan tel thei ani Chanchinthar hi Akashwani Aizawl atanga puanani a AIR News Aizawl YouTube channel All India Radio News Aizawl Facebook page le newsonair.gov.in te Chanchinthar hi chiar le ngai thlak the dani zan in daruk le chanvia Chanchinthar hi puan le ni ang chuti zong chu Chanchinthar kan puan the chu ani